In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up time tracking in QuickBooks Online Payroll 2026. By the end, you'll have time tracking turned on, your team ready to record hours, and a smooth path from timesheets to payroll, invoicing, and reporting. Start by enabling time tracking. Open the gear icon for settings, go to Account and Settings, then Advanced, and find Time Tracking. Turn Track Time on. Choose the format that fits your workflow. Weekly timesheet, which is great for entering a full week at a glance, or single time entry, which is ideal for logging one activity at a time with more detail. Decide whether you want to track billable hours against customers or projects. This choice drives job costing and invoicing later, so pick the option you actually use on your invoices. Be sure to save your changes. Next, set up the people who will track time. For employees, go to Payroll, then Employees, and confirm each person has a name, a pay rate, and a payroll method. For contractors, go to Expenses, then Vendors, and make sure they're listed there. Assign roles correctly so employee hours flow into payroll, and vendor hours can be used for invoicing or project costs. Remember, only employee hours feed payroll calculations. Now enter timesheets. If you prefer weekly entry, select plus new, then weekly timesheet. Choose the employee or vendor, set the week ending date, and if the time is billable, assign a customer or project. Enter hours per day, mark billable when applicable, and save or submit. If you work one activity at a time, choose plus new, then single time activity. Select the person, enter the date, customer or project service, hours, and billable status, then save. For clarity later, keep service items consistent and use the memo field to note what was done. Review your time to catch issues early. Go to Workers, Employees, then Time Activities. Check total hours per employee, billable versus non-billable time, and that every billable entry is linked to the correct customer or project. Edit mistakes here. If your company requires approvals, approve timesheets before payroll. They'll be locked in for processing. To run payroll from timesheets, go to Payroll, then Run Payroll. QuickBooks pulls approved hours and calculates regular time, overtime, and pay based on each hourly rate. Review each paycheck for accuracy and submit. Using timesheets here greatly reduces manual entry errors. If hours are billable, create an invoice with plus new. Invoice, select the customer, and add employee or vendor hours. QuickBooks applies the billable rate and calculates the amount due. Review descriptions and rates, then send. Finally, for visibility, open reports and runtime activities by employee or by customer. Use these for payroll verification, job costing, and client invoicing. Adjust date ranges and filters to focus on the data you need and export if required.